Do you say what you're going to do? And when you say what you're going to do you do what you say? Hi, this is Bill. And this is Creative License. Yet another one of these little dog and pony shows. I really appreciate the fact you keep checking this out. And I'm very grateful for those people that support the show. People like Disc Jockey News, DJ Event Planner, Electro Voice, Perfect Portals, promo only, and of course my workshop, The Entertainment Experience. So you know what I'm talking about, right? I say what I'm going to do, and I do what I say I'm going to do. That's what many people call integrity. And it's easy to say that you have that integrity, but sometimes it's tougher to do. And when it's most impressive, you're a little more specific about it. What I mean by that is knowing who you are and what you'll do. It's easy to say, I'm going to get up and take the garbage out. And then you get up and take the garbage out. And guess what? You're a man of integrity when it comes to saying what you're going to do and then doing the thing you said. But when you say you're a person who won't take a gig for less than $5,000 or $2,000 or $200, and then you take one for 50, that integrity is not necessarily something that you have to be accountable for to the rest of the world, because no one probably understands it or knows it. But it's not something that you have to deal with because you said out loud, or even just to yourself, that there's only certain things that you'll do for so much money. That's just an example, right? But I won't work with a certain person. But then that guy shows up with 3 times the money, and then you do, your integrity is easily questioned at that point. But who questions it? Because that's the thing that people worry about. Well, no one's going to know. You're right. No one's going to know. You know who's going to know? You are. And when you can walk your life and walk the world having an integrity for who you are, for you, it's way easier to show up as a man or a woman of integrity in the world with everything you say. I'm going to be there at 10 o'clock. You're there at 10:01. You're out of integrity. Does that mean you're not a person of integrity? No. No, that means that you were out of integrity. No big deal. What do you do to fix that? Well, you do. You fix it. Hey, man, I'm late. I said I was going to be here at 10 o'clock. I'm here at 10:01. I'm sorry about that. Next time, it won't happen again. That's integrity. Because you noticed that you didn't do exactly as you said. And you took responsibility for it. And then you recreated the integrity of a man who does not do something like waste somebody's time and shows up late. And then the next time, they do trust that you're going to be on time. Now, if you're the person who uses this equation to regularly be late, or regularly charge in a weird way, or regularly lie, or tell the truth, or I'm not going to use bad language, or whatever that thing is, you say it, you should do it. You should strive for it. And when you fall down, and you will, you take care of it, right? You take responsibility for the fact that you are a person who said he would do this, and today I showed up and did that. If you just do it and then they'll forget it. I mean, every once in just once. What's the big deal? You know, it's not like I hurt anybody's feelings. It was only a minute. Okay. But if you really want to be seen as a person who has the integrity to do exactly as he says and stands in it like it's a heart attack, like it's for real, like nothing can take you from it, then you have to be able to look people in the eye that you've made those promises to and take responsibility for it. And the next part, again, explain, hey, I did it. I'm not going to do it again. In fact, I'm going to do this to fix it. Thank you for letting me do that. They don't need to forgive you, but you need to recreate the authentic way of being for yourself, which is someone who's going to hold himself to account. That's what a person of real integrity does. He holds himself to real accountability that you set up, that you stand in. What do you think of this? Write your comments below. Until tomorrow, or not tomorrow, next week, I suppose. It's every Monday. This is Bill. This is Creative License. Bye.